Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Happy July 3rd. I hope. Ooh, I need to get this headphone out of my ear. That sound weird. Ugh. All right. That's better. That's better. Yeah. Happy July 3rd, everyone. Hey, happy you could make it and join today. Yo, this should be it's either going to be a non-interesting day or it's going to be a very interesting day. Let's see what occurs. Shout out to the one person who smashed a like. Appreciate you. Shout out to those of you who voted on the poll as well, though. We got 7 of y'all in here. Appreciate y'all coming through. 4 votes. All right. So 75% green, I'm saying. Honestly, wouldn't surprise me if that's kind of the verdict. One thing that I'm seeing to start off, though, I'm like, yo, Weeble is at it again. Starting to move, starting to catch some steam. All right, I see it's 80% green. Nobody saying break even. Shout out to the 5 people that smashed like. Yo, I guess, hey, we're here today. Let's have some fun. Let's have a good time. See what the stocks have for us. Oh, AMD's already going. We're going to have to extend the range. Oh, need to extend it on Google too. Market still hasn't opened, so right now we're still pushing these ranges. See where they go. Datadog, what's going on? We'll swap out Google. Let's see. My goodness. What caused this? All right, let's see. Okay, S&P 500 inclusion. Yeah. All right. Unfortunately, that's probably the move for the day. Probably if I had to guess, but yeah. There was another stock that people were speculating S&P 500 inclusion. Oh, it was Robinhood. Yeah, that's why it like started moving up like randomly. Maybe it was last month. Wait, was it? Was it Robinhood that was being speculated for the? I don't know. I think that was why they kind of popped at one point. Cheedy, good morning, good morning, and good morning, good morning. And you're in London, right? My wife she hit me up. She said I know it's not like a part of the EU anymore, but my wife's like, yo, I want to go to Europe again. So we'll probably end up going out there like 2 or 3 weeks again, at some point before the year's out. Chase, Chase said, "Where's the easy money at today?" So the volume should be low today. So there are a few things that can occur. We can kind of be stuck in this range. I could see us also just like having kind of like a low volume kind of melt up all day as well. Or I could see us like having a low volume kind of melt up and then just having the rug pulled from us too. I would say less so for that rug pull scenario. But oh, you said zoom out to the four. Yeah, I straight up am on the 15. Oh dang. Yeah, that's up there. Here, let's zoom out to the weekly actually. Let's see how we're looking. All right, so we're back up here. So it's done it before. So last time, so this was an area of resistance. There is some liquidity up there. Oh, here, let me add this to the watch list, but this will be something I need to like watch. Let's see. Chef Nick, what's up? Hey, I'm up. Like, yo, beautiful morning. Let's see. Hopped back on the horse today and ran today. I had took yesterday off. But yeah, I can't. Oh, okay. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. Southern Magnolia, good morning. Is at the top of the trend line, thinking of looking at puts, buying next week. A lot of sellers in this. I think there's some legitimacy to that, or some what's the word? Maybe validity to that. Anil, good morning. Natasha, good morning. Today's a half day. Thank you, and I didn't even. Honestly, I was unaware of that. So, yes, yes, thank you very much, and I was, yeah, very, very, very unaware of that. Let me oh, let me real quick just double check. Wait, hold up. All right. By the way, bro, I've been doing research and studying more strategies to get better. Have you? Orb indicator. Here, let's see. Cause it's like what I'm doing is like the orb strategy, but we can see. Let's see. Is there a specific name? Because I know there's a lot. There's a lot. I don't necessarily see one by Lux or yeah, I don't see one specifically by Lux. All right, we're pushing a little bit, but kind of what I'm doing is orb. AMD sold off a little bit. Y'all, Weeble keeps moving on a cool. Palantir showing better recovery. Oh yeah, I did see him this morning. Oh, yeah. Like to see it. I still got my old Palantir up. I have a different contract, I think, further out of the money now, but I still just want to see how this does, so I still like track and follow it. Good morning. We got news coming out at 10 a.m. Central Time. I just say 30 minutes into, or 10 a.m. Eastern Time. I just say 30 minutes in the market open, just to make it a little bit so people can kind of get it a little bit easier. George, good morning. Oh, here, let's see. Frank, Grand Rising. 20th like, I'm in bull, hope it keeps booming. Well melting up, but I'm in the green. Hey, that's what we like. Honestly, I'm probably in the green too. Now that it wants to move. But yeah, we planted that seed like, oh, in like March. Or not March, it was May. I think like May 23rd. I think we had checked. Oh, real quick, let me draw the ranges on today's range on Palantir. Oh, we're open now. We are open. All right, let's get to it. Market's open. The Q's is already going for it. All right. Amazon's going for it. We're popping. We're still like early in the day, but yo, here let's go to a 15 on Datadog. 2. Big Red, top of the morning. Think you're finally going to cash in on Nike? Let's see. Where's Nike at? Nike. Did we pass it? Bro, where's Nike? Okay, Nike at 76.39. I hope it runs a little bit into it for you. Yeah, we're gonna have to watch QQQ because I still have that put. Bro, all my alerts are getting hit. But yeah, we'll see kind of what happens here. We still got data in about 30 minutes too. So be on the lookout for that. It is red folder, ISM services PMI. So just be aware of that, bro. All my alerts they're just popping off right now. Everything's crossing everything. But Amazon is popping. Um, Also, just want to let y'all know and let me know. We do have a half day in the market today, so expect volume to kind of die off kind of quickly. We're getting moves a lot faster today. Let's see. Look at my portfolio, see how they're doing. All right, I'm back up 10% on Weeble. Those Pfizers, I'm back up being like 22% on. And then we just got green in the portfolio on some stocks. Hey, love to see it. My life be like, good morning. Top of the morning. Yo, feel like it's been a minute. Hope all is well. All right, yeah, we're pushing on yeah, I feel like I want to look at something aside from Datadog. But that was a good pop it has. We'll acknowledge that. Let's look at Meta. Yeah, Meta's running. All right, so with Palantir, Weeble, those kind of ran, or not, no, yeah, Palantir and Weeble ran, hit resistance, kind of pulling back a little bit. Amazon's still running for it. They might kind of continue. Meta's still running for it. Let's see what else we got. Spy new highs. Yeah. Spy Qs. Yeah, we got new highs. If we think Nvidia's like right here at all-time highs too. I want to check in on Tesla actually real quick. Okay, Tesla's at like 316, 317. Bro, I feel like these comments are so out of order. Here, let me do live chat because this is weird. All right, here I want to say this early because we got a half day today. I'm not sure like how we'll be on stream. Yo, let's try to get the likes up early today because yeah, there's no telling if we'll be able to do it today. Not sure we'll be around long enough since we got a half day. All right, let's see. Elegant Boom, good morning. Audio Reese. Yup, all time high. Still trying to give this first candle time to do its own thing, kind of tell its little story. Why is Bitcoin displayed as BTCU now? Hold on, let me see what's up with that. Oh, okay, Bitcoin US. Okay, I'm just like it wasn't displayed like that. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay, never mind. All good. All good. Well, let me run out to the weekly on. Yo, Bitcoin might be trying to do something too. I don't know. It's Like it's above its resistance right now. So that could be something too. Um, Already liking, never lurking. Yes. Make sure we get the likes up. Let's see. You said, what the fruit do I even do with SPY? Praying for a volatile day. I'm gonna say the odds of like high volatility are low. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we just slowly melt up today. But I feel like we're moving kind of fast, so maybe we will get our volatility. Let me see what time the market closes today. I know it's a half day, but I need to know exactly. So it'll close at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So, all right. So about an hour after we get off. So we'll see most of you in Central Florida. All right. SPY is pumping. Yeah, it's pumping, but it's also the first candle. So I don't ever trust the first candle. You know they say never trust the first candle. Um, Once again, and I appreciate you. Bitcoin, if it hits above 112K, it could rocket. Very much so. Hold up. Going back to Bitcoin, I did have a trend line. Oh, well, yeah, that's the last trend line touch. Or not. Okay, so this trend line is still a thing. So, one thing I would say, like as time goes on, here, let's extend this out. And let's see. I think it was a little bit more like this. Had touched it to like I think it was more like that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, there's 112. There's resistance there, and then if it happened like this week, I would say it could rocket to like 121, 122, anywhere in that range. That would be where the trend line was. We have like it's like Bitcoin has been respecting this trend line to a T. Like so, like switch flip. So till at least since at least September of 2024, like this is like perfect. This trend line has been perfect. So I would probably call this some solid resistance. Do you have a no? No, there is no exit for the Weeble call. I The idea for Weeble is to exit into strength, but honestly, no, Weeble is supposed to like take time. Like there is a lot of potential for Weeble. Like we came up here and did this. Honestly, I would like to see it get to at least 40. We'll see. There could be a time like if I see other opportunities and I don't have any other like seed kind of positions like this, I might like I don't know. We'll kind of see, but no, there's not one with that. Weeble is a like a leap that I got for I forgot what I paid, maybe like 150 or something. And like with the amount of time, it's like honestly, I have a margin account, so my intention was maybe to like sell some other calls against it. That one might be an in and out. Christine, good morning. Kareem, good morning. If it does, it'll carry hood. Hey, very much so. Like the way you think, these girl. Hey, to the 21 likers on the stream or lurkers on the stream. Can we Hey, can we get a little button smash action? That way, what is it? That way we are free. I know today's a half day, so trying to ensure that we do what we do. You said when did we enter on Weeble? So here I'll have to like draw a little. I'll have to get a little arrow. Here I'm gonna find the exact time I entered on Weeble. That way, we don't have this question in the future. Cause I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one that we get a lot. Cause I entered on May 23rd. Let me find the exact time. Um, at 9:11 on May 23rd. So here's the 23rd. So it's Friday, May 23rd. Here, yeah, let's get an arrow going. And let's get in there. Yeah, so it's about right in here. It was around when it was at like 12:50 or so. But it's like far out of the money. Let's see. Still in the QQ. Yeah, I'm still in the put. I would say it's too early to say how I feel about it. I knew that today could be like a I knew that today could be like a kind of melt up day, and I see that we didn't go for it yesterday. So there's a reason I got the seventh because that's a swing into Monday. I'll kind of see how I feel about it. It's like right now I feel like can still make bank from it, but just need like a little change in momentum. Right now, I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, right now I could see this being like a push of liquidity. Like we got our good news yesterday, and it's not like it's up. Like it's up. Don't get me wrong, but it's not like overwhelmingly up. So if we get any kind of news, then could be down. Hold up. Anella, good morning. All right, y'all. I'm in y'all know Keenan Grace. I'm in his Discord. I see he just bought like was that this morning? Yeah, he just bought like 50 shares of Weeble. That's kind of clean. I see Apple came in with the calls too. Let's see. I said good morning already, right? Another. Okay, so we just got our first 15 close. All right, so on the SPY and the Qs, we did close above. Let's see if we confirm at all. This would be our confirmation candle right here that we're looking for. Amazon, we kind of ran up and kind of rejected. Here, I'm gonna take Palantir. I'm gonna swap it out for like a Apple. See how that's doing. Oh yeah, Apple's approaching the top of its range. Let's see how that does. Yeah, just got an alert on Apple. Alan, good morning. Was just watching Keenan Grace yesterday. Been watching him for years. If you go back far enough on my channel, he used to comment on my channels. Like we used to like back when he used to do like the little paper stuff, the little paper videos animations. We used to like comment on all each other's videos. Then I like took a couple months off trading and like posting on YouTube, and I come back. I'm like, dang. I'm like, what happened? I think whenever all that GME stuff and oh, I think like GameStop and like AMC, that like that's when he like just catapulted in views and it just like took off with it. But yeah, if you go back to like the old stuff and like the old challenge I did, yeah, we used to like got some old comments on this channel. Let's see. So I go back to like the start of his channel too. It's good to see what he's done. How is Weeble as a trading platform? So Weeble, hey, Weeble's it's cool. Cool little trading platform. I would say it's probably like in a free capacity, it's probably the best one. Like it's not going to be like too heavy on your computer, cause Thinkorswim's free too. But like when it comes to your computer processing it and working with it, Thinkorswim's really heavy on your computer. So I would probably say, yeah, Weeble is probably one of the best like desktop trading platforms. You say, yeah, like you and Keenan. Yeah, Keenan, cool. It's cool. Um, yeah, very much cool. So, Jeff Glotto, which do you use? Uh, I use Robinhood. I use Moomoo. I use Weeble. Actually, no, I don't. I'm playing with Weeble right now. I don't have any money in Weeble right now, but it's like I might eventually get back to it, just because I like to have like different accounts for like versatility. And it's like I may throw in some extra whatever. You said how's Fidelity? I oh well, I have used Fidelity, but it was only in a capacity of like companies and 401ks require or retirement accounts and stuff like that. Um, from that capacity, I wasn't really a fan of it. I found it to be very confusing and whatnot. But to be honest with you, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not too big of a fan of Fidelity. I find it to be complicated, but that may just be the accounts I was using. But also, it's like I use retirement accounts on Robinhood, no issue. I have used retirement accounts on Thinkorswim and Charles Schwab. I no longer have them there, but it's like it was fine there in comparison to when it was Fidelity. But yeah, Robinhood I find to be like the easiest, but depending on what you're trying to do, just kind of depends. All right, hey, another reminder. Hey, today is a half day, so just trying to give the opportunity. If you are here lurking and have not smashed the like button, there appears to be at least 31 people who are lurking and have not found or smashed the like button. This is your chance. It really helps support the channel, helps for our stream on Monday, helps keep us out of CCOT. What is it? Where's why can't I think about it? Where's it? Oh, El Salvador. Yeah, not trying to go to El Salvador. And um I forgot who said it, but somebody said something about the alligator Alcatraz. I saw what you're talking about now, so yeah, hey, might keep us out of there too. Thinking of starting a Webull account very soon. I only use Robinhood and TradingView. Yeah, I might hop on the horse. I might hop on the horse again. We'll see. We'll see. But honestly, I might be a little biased because I got this little Weeble trade that might be part of the reason why I'm like, oh, you know what? Maybe let's give a Weeble a little activity. I might, like, not even lying. I might be a little biased. Like, I might be like, yo, let's pump Weeble. Let's get their numbers right. But I don't know. Nerd though, hey, appreciate you. All right, hey, that gap is kind of getting filled a little bit. It's like now we went from 31 to 21 on the gap. We still got data in 9 minutes. Yo, to those of you holding the cues with me, like this is what I'm seeing right now. So I'm looking at the PCE on the side over here, and I'm seeing the PCE is like below zero point 0.5, which is here. We'll actually take a look at it up here, which is very low. So like on the lower end PCE, we actually, I guess, apparently. Oh wait, this is a weekly chart. Let's go to the 4 hour. This is like very low for the PCE. And typically when we see this, we'll get like bought back up. But yeah, this is like one of the lower kind of numbers for the PCE. So I would imagine there comes some kind of event that will cause us to do it, because yeah, there's like I don't know, I would usually say there's usually a pretty solid level of support at that like 50, and then below that, like the extreme would be 40. But it's like usually it'll range from like the 50 to 60 range. But yeah, we're kind of low right now on that. Nike going in the wrong direction. Oh no. I mean, it's kind of. Is it? Oh, I mean, it has no momentum. Yeah, no momentum on it. Oh, I need to see what's moving the market. So we got Amazon up, and I would say Amazon's up a good amount. We got Meta's up a solid amount, or it was. No, I pulled back. Microsoft, nah, nothing crazy. Amazon's Palantir having a good day. Having a good day for Palantir. Oh, I just realized this, but APLD, they kind of like blasted up yesterday. I completely missed that. Boeing's having a good day. Intel, oh, Uber. Yeah, there goes Uber a little bit. On these days when it just runs up all day, doesn't it? It doesn't hit support, so I don't trade. Yeah, yeah, it's like the volume here. Let's actually turn on and look at the volume. It should be really low. We do have data in 5 minutes, but after that, I think we're pretty locked in. Let's see. So this is the volume for today. Wait, where's open yesterday? Like if you zoom out, you can. Oh wait. you can see the volume like almost every other day is a lot higher than it is over here today. Just like a lot higher. So we're pushing up on low volume, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything. QQQ still running. Yeah, it's still moving. I'm trying not to give in too much. Right now it doesn't mean too much to me. But yeah, it's like after like 9 a.m. if if the data doesn't like slap us down at all, we'll probably just keep slowly melting. The only thing I want to keep running right now, hey, maybe we'll let Nike run for Big Red, and then I'll actually let Palantir run, and let Weeble run, and hey, we'll call it a day with everything else. 200 profit on the SPY. Hey, good stuff. Yeah, I think yesterday. Oh, Bitcoin's above 110K just for the record, but I think yesterday what was the data we got? I think it was like Trump's bill passed, and then like the Vietnam stuff. The taxes, the tariffs on Vietnam were kind of chill. So that was looking good. All right, 81 people on, 67 likes. Hey, not too bad, not too bad. Let's see if we can get it up. Amazon looks like it's finding a little resistance. The ETFs don't though. Still need to go on my search, see what's moving things. Hey, Lucid's having a good day for Lucid. It's up like 8%. Wait until data, then going for a hood call, trying for. Let's see. BBAI is still up. All right, so we got here. Let's check in. Got 44 seconds till data. Oh, I see we're trying to move up with the likes. Hey family, let's get the likes in. Trump speaking at 10. What's he speaking on? All right, it's not anything here. Let's check his schedule, see what's. Oh, that's for July 4th. All right, today. In town pool. This is what I see. Yeah, it doesn't look like he's supposed to speak on anything like important. All right, so we got the data. It's pending. Okay, ISM services came in line, so probably a non-factor. Yeah, we might continue to push up. All right, so Weeble's up. Dang, my put got ate up. I still feel like my put can kind of do work, but yeah, I'm gonna just leave the put, but I might look at a call too. So here, let's see what the let's see what stuff's going for. Honestly, I'm not loving it. Hold up, okay. Should have bought bull dip. So I'm gonna just say like for what I'm looking for on Weeble, it hasn't really done anything yet. So it's like it still has a great potential. Like at the level it's at. Like I would pick up shares here. But yeah, that was the dip was an opportunity. Russia says he'll be speaking to Putin. He posted. Oh well, there we go. Here, let me check news. Here, let's. U.S. President Trump, Ukrainian President Zelensky likely to speak by phone Friday. Oh, Russia says he'll be speaking to Putin. He posted on Truth Social. Derive. What's going on with Derive? Are you talking about yeah, what are you saying about Derive? All I see is the LOL. You gotta put on what stock? So I didn't buy a put today, but I'm in a put on the Q's that expires on Monday. But no, I haven't bought anything today. Banks are on a good run. A lot of earnings July 15th. Let me see if they updated their page yet. Nah, not yet. But yeah, looks like we got earnings coming around again. You said yours expire on the 11th. Yours expire on the 11th of this month. Hey, I'll say, hey, that's I don't remember when you bought in, but I'm gonna say the movement has been great for you, M. Sense. That's amazing. If you're up 58%, gotta get rid of government newsman. He is saying he wants to be able to take your crypto. Oh no, yeah, don't take my crypto. I don't have much, but don't take my crypto. Look over there at his crypto or something. I'm banking on Spy. Yeah, we're getting this low volume kind of push. I think we're just gonna move up and then we're just gonna stop. Here, let's zoom out. Yeah, I think there's a good chance of us like, yeah, I'm not gonna make any moves today, but I think there's a good chance of us like having some kind of like sell off move to this. It might be Monday, it might be Tuesday, but I think early next week we'll get a move. Now I just would say I hope it doesn't get like too out of hand because I'm like down on that call, but I don't necessarily think it's the best, or down on that put. I don't necessarily think it's the best move to let it go though. How low would Hood go? Robinhood has some inefficiencies on it, so it can go lower, but it is at the 13 EMA. But it can go lower. Got in yesterday, paid 34 for. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, looks like Weeble has some momentum. Look at him, Weeble on the 4 hour. Hey, that's something right there. All right, so yo, I think we're just gonna like melt up today. There are no resistances, only psychological levels. So looking at the SPY, I would say next psychological level would be 525, then maybe 527, but nah, yeah, we're looking very bullish. Blessings to you. When's your Sarah, my next Zoom is next Wednesday. I'll have to make sure I post on I'll have to make sure I post on YouTube, Discord and Patreon. That way we can make sure everyone gets in there. There were like less people on this Zoom this time. Oh, D Scurv. Looks like Derive put in like it's just a day trade. But they did put in a put on a Datadog. That's not one that typically pops up, so just want to share that with y'all. Oh, friendly reminder. Yo, smash the like button. It's a short day. Are QQQ contracts just as cheap as SPY contracts? Uh yeah, they trade very similar. They're gonna be very similar. So yeah, they can be. So it'll be 7:30. 7:30 Central Time. So whatever that is in your time zone, it's gonna be 7:30 though. Would do it at 6:30 if so many people didn't have to work. As for me, usually the earlier the better. It's like the later the more incoherent I am whenever I speak. Google ordered to pay 314 million for misusing customer cell phone data. Oh, so I believe that will be like, what is it? 8:30 Eastern. BMNR is in an interesting watch. Is an interesting watch. Okay, let's see. BMNR. Oh wait, R. There we go. Bitmine. Okay, very interesting watch. And we'll just add this to the little listicle. Wait, hold up. Let's see. How do I? Usually there's like a little. Oh wait, that's how you do that. Hold up. Over here. There we go. I feel like we're slowing down on the momentum. But we'll see here. Let's come down to like a 5. Just so I can see the momentum. Looks like we slowed down a little bit. Definitely still moving, but looks like we slowed down. Circle like action on BMNR. Yeah, so what you're saying is this could honestly let me no, I don't have anything I just want to throw at that. But this is your friendly reminder to smash the like button. All right, we got the Q's trying to push on some more. Still trying to go for it. Turn on the volume, just get a look. Okay. Was thinking the same thing. Slowing down bull is really trying to stop loss hunt. Luckily, we'll have to see. I mean, we'll see if they keep moving. They look like they keep getting resistance at 1484 on Weeble. Oh, hold up. Did not mean to do that. All right, so getting a small little pullback here. Nothing major. First black candle we've seen for a little bit. Nike pretty much said kick rocks, but I still got time on it. So yeah, I feel like Nike could do some stuff next week. They could do some stuff over the weekend. We'll see. They don't necessarily move like with the market, or they're not in a place where they're doing that right now. So they can really do their own thing. Ooh, I see a position trade for calls on Estee Lauder. That's one of my. How am I doing on that? I don't even like pay close attention to it. But yeah, they got calls on Estee Lauder. That's cool. Dang, I didn't even know it's been running like this. I hadn't been watching it that hard. Let me go. There's like one portfolio where I have more of it than anything else. I didn't like I didn't realize this is part of what's been contributing to my portfolio going up. Okay, I see one. I'm up like 25%. Where am I up on in this one? I'm up like 27% on my Estee Lauder. That's cool. EL and Elf. Let's take a look at Elf. I'm upset because there was a point I had Elf for like $8. I had no idea of the potential of what Elf could be. That's insane. Honestly. But you live and you learn. Oh, friendly reminder. If you're one of the at least two people that have not, actually at least one people that have not, hey, smash the like button. Let's get us there. I think we can do it. Okay, now there is no gap. But I still feel like we can do it. I still feel like we can pull them out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get on there myself. Haven't got on myself today. Yeah, I feel like we've kind of found our happy. I might be speaking too soon, but I feel like we kind of found our happy level. All right, okay. Likes winning now. The likes are winning now. Okay. Oh yeah. Yes. We are making moves. Lovely moves. Amazon kind of went crazy at open. Hold on, let me see what days are Prime Day next week. Let's see. So it looks like it's gonna be on Tuesday through Friday next week. I'll be letting y'all know on my end what I see from Amazon. Like, I guess on Wednesday I can kind of report what I saw from Tuesday and let y'all know if it looks crazy or anything. We might be able to use that to our advantage. I don't know. Might be a little insider. Bro, I still don't get it. I bought Elf at 630 and it still hasn't reached that level yet. It's at an all-time high. So can I have more details? I play Roblox. Like what strike did you get? What time did you buy that? And yeah, what contract did you get? Let me I don't know, things are moving slow enough for us to like kind of get in and like break down what's going on with the contract. Amazon earnings on July 31st too. Okay. Topping the month off. Hey, let's get it. Good old Amazon. Still trying to push a little bit, but we've definitely slowed down. Let's see. What was I doing? Oh, I was talking to I Play Roblox about that 6:30 expiring. Okay, here let's see. Let's see. What was the strike price? Let's duplicate. What was it? We're looking at Elf, I believe. Was it Elf? What were we talking about? Don't get it bought. Okay, yeah, you said Elf. Okay. So we got Elf. Here, let's also look at on the 3 month. Yeah, so it's over here making highs. You bought it at 6:30. So I'm assuming what did you buy it today? It expires, what is it? The 19th. Or was that the date? Did you buy it June 30th? Are you still in your No, I'm not. I took Did I take profit? Yeah, I took profit on my last SoFi trade, but I'm not in anything to do with SoFi right now. Uh September 19th. And here, let's see. Okay, you bought it June 20th. And what was the strike price? That's probably going to be like the largest determining factor. Yeah, we're still trying to melt up a little bit. Still trying to melt up. But Elf looks like it did a quick wick up to like 132 and then all right, we got 86 likes, 86. Hey, we might be able to get there. All right. Honestly, that looks like on the 4 hour. That looks like a lot of selling pressure on Estee Lauder on the cool. It's just one candle, but and we still got like an hour and a half on it. But that looks like some strong selling pressure. Oh, oh, we only got 12 more likes to go, family. Looking good. Tesla selling off again. Elon, what's going on now? What'd you say? What'd you say about Trump? They got too much beef going on. Jobs, stock shock, crashes, rate cut hopes. What it means for Tesla in the market. Let's see. What does it mean for Tesla in the market? Elon predicts hundreds of thousands of Teslas will be fully autonomous by 2026. We'll also start producing the 30K site. Shoot, if a Cybercab is 30K, I'll get one. Shoot. I won't even need to use it. Shoot, show me the money. Joey V, good morning. Thoughts on puts for SoFi? Let's see. I believe SoFi is like above the trend line right now. Let's see. SoFi. Zoom out a little bit. So SoFi is, honestly, I feel like it's a good time for puts is approaching, but also I wouldn't necessarily take puts here yet. It's like I would probably try if it came back up to all-time highs again, but like I think we can get like one more push on the RSI maybe. But right now I'm just because it's above this trend line again, I wouldn't try to go against it. Market Green Ranger. Take firecracker, lay on top of the like button, and light it. Hey, that's one way to do it. Make sure you got a solid case on your computer, laptop, iPad, Android device, whatever you are on, whatever operating system, whatever you use. You said sorry, my live froze. 160 call. There we go. Let's see. 160. Okay. All right. So the theta is not like too high. The theta is it's about 8 cents a day or $8 a day that is fighting you. It looks like the delta is at like 27 now. So if you said you are, did you say you're at break even? Let's see. Still bought it and it still hasn't reached that level yet. It's at an all-time high. Well, I don't know what. Okay, so I guess the next question would be, you said it still hasn't reached that level. I guess what is the? I guess it would just depend on what that level is for you. Wait, where are we at? So this contract. Oh, okay, so it's pretty far from the money. But like if this ran, like it's say Elf ran like another $10, this contract would be up at least another $280, probably more. But yeah, I guess it just depends on how fast things run. Which is the trend on SoFi? SoFi, it's on a 4 hour. It's like, it's pretty far back. It goes back to like May 21st. From what I have it, it was support. Then it flipped to being resistance. Like we got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches on this. Then we broke it. Then we came back and retested. Got a 4th touch, 5th touch, 6th touch. Oh, hold up. Then we broke through. Then we got a 7th touch, 8th touch. And So this trend line got like, oh well, actually we got a touch I didn't account for here too. So we got like 9 touches on it. So it's like I would give some validity to it. Very, very, very welcome. I play Roblox. All right, so we are chilling at. Sorry, I started looking at myself. All right, so we're chilling. What was I just saying? What was I looking at when I said we were chilling at something? Oh, I was looking at the likes. I was saying we're chilling at 88, but now we're at 89. Oh, slowly, possibly, surely, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're moving. We're progressing. Moving forward. That's what we like to see. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, I think I just saw something from him since. Let's see. So I'm reading MSIM, so I'm reading your message. All right, so just responded to you, MSIM. All right, let's see. Do you have a video on how to create and read trend lines? If you click on the pinned link in the chat, if you click on that link or the pinned comment in the chat, where it says new to trading and want to learn it all, watch these videos. That first video, if you scrub through, I took the time to like label the video for different chapters. That video, in that first video, it does just that. So yeah, I have multiple videos that do, but that's the most direct one I could probably send you to. That one kind of gets you right for like everything on the cool. Nvidia hit the 160 mark. Okay, ooh, it didn't just hit it. It looks like it's rolling through it. Oh, hold on, wrong chart, wrong chart. Yeah, Nvidia kind of rolling through. This is probably a good part of what's moving the market. Is there anything specifically today? Nvidia hits record high, on pace to become world's most valuable company in history. All right, Webull pulling on back. Let's check news again. Let's see what we got. Yo, Hood's kind of selling off right now. This might be an opportunity too. Let's see. Yeah, Hood doing a little selling off is kind of it's approaching oversold territory on the 15. Let's look at it on the 4 hour. All right, so it's a little past that 13 EMA. There's still a gap to here. Let me slide this down. There's still a gap to fill to like 83. That'd be cool. You said, okay, cool. My trading view is almost all set. Hey, you're very welcome. Very, very welcome. Apple's pushing. So Apple's pretty darn close to what I was saying was this up here. Yeah, that would have been a good trade to go for. Only thing was I think it was over here at like 206 when I was talking about it. But yeah, it looks like if I would have just shot for something for the end of the week, that would have been money. But I was saying at least 2 weeks. Like I was saying it would happen within 2 weeks. But I was hoping we at least got some sort of pullback. But there was never any pullback action. But Apple probably still on its way to take that out. But oh well, it is what it is. What can you do? What can you do? Where do you see Weeble? When you say where do I see Weeble, what do you mean by that? Are you talking about the application? Are you talking about the stock? Or it really just depends. Hey, friendly reminder. Hey, if you have not already, hey, smash the like button. Ooh, I see a swing coming in for puts. I'm not sure if I'll have enough time. We'll see. But I see a swing coming in for puts on the Qs. I like that. Short term. Oh, so honestly, this stock, the history for Weeble is still too. It's too short. I can't tell you where it's gonna be because it's my I legit bought till January on the basis that like yo I know there will be some sort of catalyst and some sort of things to boost the volume, but I have no idea. Like I can't say exactly where it'll be. It's like I'd like to think it could at least hit 40, but there's no telling. Like there's no telling. Hey, Lucky J, what's that? What's the sound emoji? What are those? Are those speakers? What's up with the sound? What's where are those frowny faces? Let's see. All right, so Weeble is yo, it's back at support on the day. Is it gonna break and pull back to the downside? Hey, maybe. To those of you that were saying like, oh, should have bought the dip on Weeble, this might be your chance. Think I might be back in the red on it. Let's see. Let me see how it's looking. Oh no, I'm not in the red. I think I think it's starting to get some. I guess the implied volatility is gone up. People are starting to look at it. You said SPY at current SPY resistance there is no current SPY resistance. It's pushing new levels, so I would say the next level to look out for would be 526, but it's never been here before, so there is no like real resistance. It's like if you're looking for resistance, it's at resistance right now. You said, what's that bird noise? I don't hear a bird noise. Is that what's going on, Lucky Day? Are you hearing a bird noise? Here, let me make sure I don't have any wires crossing or anything, but no, I don't see any wires crossing. I don't know why there'd be a bird noise. And I don't even hear the birds outside today. Oh, you said no noise for you? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the bird noise. Possible that's just you receiving that. I'm not fully sure on the cool. All right, hey, nine more to go. Today is a short day. So, hey, we're actually going to be here the majority of the day together. Sound is good here. Appreciate you, Moot One. All right, let's slap that on. All right, pushing the likes on up. I like to see it. Hey, we just might be able to free ourselves. All right, so Robinhood. Oh, this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, but still, right now looking like it's holding the 13 EMA. We'll see. Still got like an hour on this candle though. So we got the SPY still easing on up. We got the Q's kind of like sideways, moving a little bit. Oh yeah, hey, I see. Hey, the likes keep on climbing. Okay, we're getting there. I think we got this, family. Think we got this. I was a little nervous because we're it's just a half day today, but I'm starting to feel a little bit better about it. Let's see. Hey, I get a lot of y'all asking about the Discord, and I was just looking at it, but I get a lot of y'all asking about the Discord and like Alpha Trader and like trading shares and stuff, and I was just looking, and I'm like the same stock that D Scurv was talking about, Alpha Trader. He said BMR was a massive 5% runner, caught this while live today, and that's like he's like promoting himself there, but he also like if you look at his little section in the Discord, like this is a free section of the Discord. Like he is sharing like all this. Here, let's see. Like he's sharing bangers in there. So like even if you're not trading options or don't know how to do it, like he's like updating, sharing like oftentimes whenever he shares like a stock, usually it runs on the cool. So and he said, and there it goes, one of the previously mentioned like It's like a lot of the stuff like runs. So I was like, no, I've never met him like personally, but I've like spoken to him. He's cool. He's chill. And like, just wanted to let y'all know that's in the Discord for free. Like in the non-paid section. So you don't have to necessarily pay to get things. And that's free for y'all, but I like pay for him to be there. Just a heads up. So to those of y'all that ask for stuff for free from me or try to ask for more, hey, I'm already looking out for y'all. So be aware of that too. All right, let's see. SPY still pushing up. That's crazy. That whole Diddy thing though too. On the cool or not on the cool. I was like that whole situation wild. All right, you said what's your Discord link? Do you have the? Let me see. Here, let me grab it real quick. Here, I'm about to post it in the comments real quick. All right, so that's the Discord link. When it comes to y'all getting in there, I think y'all are gonna start off in a verification channel. In order to see the Discord, you're gonna have to come in. Not on this message right here. People will react to this one. Here, let me remove the reactions. But people come and react to this one. Just click on this green check and you'll have access to all the other channels. Otherwise, you won't see the stuff. All right, so we still got the SPY pushing up. Do you think it's a good idea of puts from fives? I would say the more time you get, the better the odds. That's all. That's what I'm gonna say to that. It's like I'm in a put now, but I'm gonna say the more time you allow yourself, the better the odds. Like that's an extra day over what I got, and you got a better strike. So it's like I'm gonna say I like that more than what I have. And I'm gonna say that sounds like it has good potential. But good idea. Hey, I don't know your situation. That kind of comes down to like there's too many variables on whether or not that's a good idea. All right. Doing a little pulling back. A little pullback action. I think we need like 4 more likes. Good morning, family. How is the Friday, Thursday going? Hey, it's looking like we're melting up. Slow little melt up action. Low volume upward push. Yeah. Low volume upward push. But hey, good stuff. How about you, Josh? Oh shoot, 3 more likes to go. Or maybe oh, I'm seeing different numbers. 3 or 4 more likes to go. I don't know. We'll say 4 for now. I'm seeing different numbers. All right, Weeble trying to move back up again after getting sold off. It said it wanted to fill that gap in. All right, Q's for the first time looked like it's coming to test the 13 EMA. It's only on the 5, but hey, it's something. All right, I'm seeing looks like 3 more likes. Then we get there. Doing well. I was supposed to work, but they got a reduction in roots, so looks like I'm studying. Oh no, I don't like the idea of reduction in roots, cause that's like less deliveries, less potential orders in the short term. But hey, glad to hear you got some time for yourself. That's good. That happened to me one time when I was working Amazon. Like one time when I was doing it. Okay, hey family, we did it. Hey, we did it. Hey, we're good. Let the fireworks begin. Yes. Unfortunately, Prime Week is gonna kill me. We have to work extra. Are is that Thank My Driver? Are they gonna let y'all? Is the Thank My Driver gonna benefit y'all? Cause I try to do that as much as I can. Like I get like crazy Amazon packages every day. So I try to make sure I hit the Thank My Driver every day. So if it does, let's. Oh, so you don't know what that is. So Thank My Driver is what's crazy is I get some people like send me messages before they deliver to do it, but Thank My Driver is kind of. It's like no, so you have there's the rating thing. That's good for like the bonus, but Thank My Driver is kind of individual. It's like if you have like an Alexa or any of those devices and you say, "Hey Alexa, thank my driver," it'll give like it'll prompt the company to give you kind of like a little $5 tip. So it's like an extra $5 on it's like an extra $5 to your paycheck for everyone that does it. So the only thing about it is usually like in the time periods when they do it, it's usually around like Prime Days, it's usually around like Christmas time. And it's like usually they'll be like, "Oh yeah, we'll do the Thank My Driver up to like maybe like $10 million or whatever." And it's like if you're spreading that across the country, it gets used up pretty fast. So it's like if you look at all those little metrics you get on your little, like when you can see the feedback and everything, uh, you can see people who have thanked you, but you're not always going to like, it looks good for you. But there are certain times when it's like, oh, I'm actually going to get paid extra for the Thank My Driver. So it's usually like around Prime Day and stuff that's something to get. Emmett, you said, sorry I'm late. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Hey, just know the market is closed in like 2 hours. So better late than never. But I would say, yo, you've gone this far today without trading. Probably good idea just to do it. But definitely could have used you earlier for the likes. It's been a battle, Emmett, but very much appreciate you. Need that to reduce my taxes or well pay them. Hey, I feel that. Taxes, man. Do not get me started Oh, hold on, let me close the door. My wife's home. Ooh, I just got up, feel my legs, feel my legs a little more than I should feel them right now. I'm gonna have to put these little recovery things on, cause that's not that's not cool. Um, we'll pay them. Uncle Sam is a menace for real. Have any of y'all ever used these like Firefly things? Kind of cool. I often use them while we're on stream. They were a Shark Tank product. I like reached out to the company like maybe like I don't know, maybe like 2 months ago, and they sent me some. They're very, very clean. Or very clutch for recovery. Because I can recover while I'm on stream. All right, let's see. All right, Weeble's trying to do that. Let's try to sell back down again. All right. Okay, BMNR 115. That's wild. Yeah, that's wild. They were at like 87 when we were looking at them. Yeah, they're going crazy today. Going crazy. Absolute insanity. Probably definitely got some halts in there. Maybe. Yeah, that's wild. There's gonna be a point in time when I start like playing the IPOs and stuff, and we'll see what happens. I'm not there yet though. We'll get there though. We will get there. IWM on an uptrend. Long term, IWM is definitely on an uptrend. I actually got my wife. I have her like making daily deposits in IWM now. Like this is one she's at averaging into. My wife, like long term, probably gonna outperform me because she's paying less attention to the stocks. That's like I definitely out earn her and stuff, but like when it comes to percentage returns, her like slow and steady, like stock returns, she probably got me. Same for me on the IPO. In general, they are on a run right now. IPOs across, for real, for real, for real. These skirt, like for real, for real. Yeah, it looks like I feel like we're flattening out. Like I don't feel like there's going to be like a sell off today, but I feel like we're flattening out, and I feel like it could just be like that's kind of well. One thing for sure, BMNR is not flattening out, but um, here let's see. All right, so I want to check something for BMNR. So one thing I kind of noticed with these IPOs is they will go crazy up until they get an options chain, and then once they get an options chain, like, so this is the kind of movement you'll get. So no options chain, it just buy, like it runs up, and then once you get an options chain, like here, let's look at Circle. This was about when they, like, I bought in when they got their options chain. So they got an option chain about right here on the 20th. They ran like one more day. Or was it? Oh, I bought in on the 20th. All right, they had like, yeah, they had one more day where they really ran. And then after that, they've just been selling off. So that's something I've kind of noticed about like these IPOs. Like, so we'll have to continue to test this over time, but maybe next time we see like a IPO. But also there is another one, like I think this one over here, this one didn't have hype. Chime. This one IPO, they IPO'd at like, I guess they went public at like 44 or like just below $44. They're trading at 31. So there's not, the hype's not really there with Chime. But it's good to be around to see it so we can learn from it and kind of advance from it. Majada Gator said BMNR. Yeah, that's what we just spent a good amount of time talking about. Yeah, it's running. Definitely would have been a good one to grab shares on. I'm gonna have to pay more attention to like Alpha Trader on the cool. Okay, where's SMCI? I see some puts going in on SMCI. I mean, nothing really concerning about this. All right, we still got the SPY, like still slowly, like ever so slowly melting up. Yeah, I was looking at what is it? I was looking at UNH this morning, and I was like, yo, that put I had, where we open at today? Guess we'd open at like 309. Yeah, that put was in the money. I'm not sure how much it would have been at worth at open, but it kind of did some things. All right, Nvidia is back below that 160. Looks like it's kind of pushing back down to resistance at that 159 kind of area. Hey y'all, let me know what y'all got. What y'all got going this weekend. I want to know what you're. I want to hear what you're up to. Want to hear how y'all are spending y'all's days off. Whether it be family, fireworks, resting, adventuring. I want to know. Let's see. Oh, Data Dog pushing again. Okay. Family, fireworks, movies. When you say movies, do you mean movies like are you going to the movies or are you watching movies like at home? Or like I don't know. B-ball practice. Hey, loving the consistency, D Scurry. And Sunday, that's about it. No fourth. Hey, no worries, no worries. I feel like when I was in Portugal, still had like still managed to find myself like getting some fireworks. I don't know what day their Independence Day, but I feel like it is, but I feel like it wasn't like too far from July 4th. I don't know. Men's retreat on Saturday with my church group. Hey, that sounds nice. Yeah, I hope that is I hope that's a very enriching experience. Let's see. Oracle, low key. They've been on the move since they had this when they had this earnings move over here. Dad is 81. His favorite movie is Independence Day, so watch that at his house. Act like we haven't seen it 100 times. That's kind of like Home Alone on Christmas. Would that be a put on? So I did see a put. I think I did see a trade on Derive for Pepsi earlier. I'm just curious. Let me see what it was. Let's see. It might be gone. Let's see. Okay, so it has a put, but it has it for a day trade. So here we'll take a look at Pepsi. Let's see. You said would that be a put on the? So I would say like honestly, I would say the put has kind of like potentially played out. Like at least if I were entering, because it's like I probably would have wanted to enter like closer up here, but like there is support. Like it's at a level of support. There's a little more support down here, and then like if you catch it at like 134, 37, that might be like actually entry for a call. So it's like it could like it definitely can go down more, but like my confidence level entering here would be very low. Like I would, yeah, my confidence would be very low on that personally. Playing basketball, then cooking filet mignon for my boy's birthday. Hey, happy birthday to your boy. I mean, first off, that sounds fun. Sounds like a good time. Always fun playing getting a little sporting action. Oh, speaking of Oracle, they got swing puts on the ride for Oracle. Basket basketball, the overwhelming theme for the weekend. Shoot, this morning when I was on my run, I saw like I like ran by like some basketball courts, the same one where I played those boys, right? And there was a kid there. It was pretty early in the morning, and he was just shooting on his own. I was like, hey, get it. I was like, low key, now would be a good time to do that because it's like the one time when it's not like crazy, crazy hot. But yeah, he was playing basketball too. I was like, yo, I could go for that right now. I'm not sure I told y'all, but on Sunday I went to like a little golf tournament, and like one of the things they had there, like you know how they try to entertain people, like in the kind of like food area where they had like entertainment and different kind of games and stuff. They had they had basketball, like kind of like almost like arcade style, but it wasn't like an arcade. But they had like three like side by side like hoops, and bro, I was shooting. It was like shoot as much and make as much as you can in 24 seconds. But bro, those balls had like so much air in them, and like bro, yeah, the balls had so much air in them. Like I was pretty much like missing everything. I only made one. I only made one, and it's like it was bad. The balls were like they would like hit the inner rim and then just like go flying, and then they kind of like roll down a hill. It was like kind of bad. Normally stuff like that I want to play more than once, but I was like, dang, the balls just kept going everywhere. That kid was me since the age of 10. Rain, snow, or sleet. Nah, I have to go to a gym. But yeah, that's cool. That's a dedication right there. Dedication right there, D Scurv. Like to love to hear it. I wish I had like one thing I was dedicated to like that. I probably really excel. Yoko, good morning. How you doing? Hey, I'm good. I woke up today. It's a blessing. Speaking of blessings, awesome. Peace and blessings. Oh, talk about more blessings right there. Let's see. All right, we're still trying to progress a little bit. Still not moving much, but still trying to progress. Once again, not really expecting much from here. But honestly, like, hold up, was what we opened over here? We had a solid like, this is a solid little move today for like low to no volume. D Dog on the breakout. Sure glad I did not buy those puts. Yeah, they still doing their thing. Yeah, this was I was like, yo, I'm gonna have to just watch for now. It's like honestly, some of these things are unpredictable. Yeah, there goes your 3 on the 30. They just don't stop. All right, BMNR back to 107. Good little potential dip buy opportunity. Three on 30, don't lie. Yeah, we got those all day. So here, we're gonna end this poll. There's like this little feature that I've never used, but I've always seen it. Say something. Oh, it says Q&A. Say something. I'm gonna type hello because I don't know what this is. We're just gonna. Whoa. Wait. I don't know how this works. Okay, I can still see the chat. We're good. All right, so now I got a little Q&A on. I just don't know how it works. I wanted to see how it works. But yeah, we still got the live chat on. It had disappeared for a second. But just wanted to see how does it work. Actually, let me try to get on as like somebody who's not as a viewer. Okay, so I can chat. I don't even see it. Yeah, I guess we'll just stop that for now because it doesn't really. There we go. Well, I'll have to figure that out at a later time. Just keep on pushing. All right, so Nike, I'm seeing puts come in for Nike. It's a swing, but just wanted to share that. I know Big Reg may be in the room. No, we still riding the Nikes. Doesn't necessarily seem like anything major, but Yeah, I see some swing puts. It's very pinned today. It's not doing anything today. Weeble chilling around support. Want to check back in on Amazon. Still above. Oh no, not necessarily. Man, Pounter looks good being above back above 134.50. Might be the start of its ascension again. Here, let's look at. Also got some potential liquidity going on BBAI. Did get that short on BBAI. All right, on the 30-minute, SPY looks like it's starting to find some selling pressure. That's on the okay on the 5. It's looking like hey, it's getting close to that 13 EMA too. Still no touch, but yeah, it's looking like it's starting to. What we hit? Didn't quite hit 526, but it looks like it's getting a little tired. Time on Palantir calls 3 weeks have been solid. Three weeks on Palantir. I might have to noted. Gotta get 3 weeks on the dips. All right, BMNR pretty close to going back below that $100 mark again. Should be some demand from the 88 down to 80 range on BMNR. Oh, hold up. I'm being flagged about it. Oh no. What is a good entry for Palantir long term? Kind of depends. There are good entries and then there are really good entries. Um, I would say where it's at, like just kind of trending wise, it's at a good level for entry. It can get better. Like if for some reason you were to catch it like 128, I think that would be like optimal. But like when it comes to like really good, I would say like if you catch it at 100 again, if you catch it at like 90 again, and it's like this is when I still think like like something crazy has to happen, but still could see it happening. It might be years down the road. If you catch it at like $46 again, that's like ultimate. But like right now, yeah, like 127, 128, that's still like really good. Really just depends on what you're looking for. Depends on your strategy. Depends on like if you throw stops on your longer positions or if you reduce position sizing or anything like that. Really just depends on you. I think the best thing to do if you like want it is to just like it's a solid company. Just buy a little bit every day. 5, 10, $15 every day. If that's too much, sometimes start with the dollar. Just get in every day and then just kind of increase it over time. But like I think starting out, like I'm only investing like $20 a day right now in the stock, so I have like two that I just do every day without paying attention to, and then it's like if I have some extra, which I don't have as much extra right now because I'm like paying stuff off. It's like if I have some extra, then I'll do that. But I'll say in about a year or so, I'll start really having money to like throw into stocks. But I don't have like a crazy amount to just throw at stocks right now. Unfortunately, as much as I sit here and watch them, just because I'm trying to like be aggressive with the payoff of things. All right, let's see. Let's see now if it can hit a support, and I might scalp. We'll see. I would like to see it like fall, but we'll see. I actually knew that. I want to remind you that today the market closes in about 90 minutes. So I just want to remind you that it's like I feel like if it falls, I don't think it'll fall hard, and I feel like it'll just kind of trade sideways to at whatever level it falls to. That's kind of my take. It definitely doesn't have to, but just want to remind you of that. Oh yes, sir, Lucky J, we did it. We did it. Yes, sir. So we like smashed it. Yeah, that's because of the family and 1,000 reminders. But yo, couldn't have done it without the family. Right now in the 5, it looks like it's trying to hold up at that support. Hey, you're very welcome, Nunat. Yeah, yeah, contracts. Yeah, probably only got like yeah. If you're trading zero DTEs, you probably only got an hour. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, that's real nasty. Yeah, so it'd be, bro. I almost that's crazy. I had considered getting a zero DTE on the SPY today, and that's crazy because they still look kind of pricey to me when I was looking at them. Yeah, I didn't even think about that. So yeah, glad I did not. But oh, also, how's it been? Hey, wait, hold up. Okay, Robinhood calls next week. $100 strike. I think those have potential. Yeah, I think those have potential. Also, hey, all is well. All is well over here. Been on this grind. Been grinding. Been grinding so that one day I can shine. My family and I. How about you, bro? College investor. Here, market's closed tomorrow. Yeah, market's closed tomorrow. So, yeah, I would like this time to say, yo, happy 4th of July. Low key, hope wherever I go, whatever I do tomorrow, hope I get some of those cookies. Those like I feel like they usually have 4th of. Oh, they're not anything like special, but you know, like just some of those like cookies with like the sprinkles on them and like the like little cream on them. I don't know. It's like I don't know why I really like those on the holidays, but I don't like to buy them. I just gotta have them whenever they're wherever they may be. Just just gotta have them. Here while I'm doing this, I'm gonna sit here and multitask. Thanks, bro. Been good. Taking. Oh, let me know. Hey, what channel is it? The broke college? Is it broke college investor? Is that your channel that you're YouTubing on, or is it another one? Let me know. I'll hit the sub and like probably check in from time to time when I see you. All right, Weeble back here around support. Yeah, it looks like a spy had pulled back to that EMA and said bounce. Uh-oh, bought second contract on dip, but also bought a DT. About to lose that little less. Yeah. Also, I'm not sure if you were here when we were talking about it, M Sense, but what is it? If you're on Robinhood or like honestly any other brokerages, most of the contracts are going to get closed out in about an hour because the market closes in about an hour and a half. So keep that in mind too. The theta burn, if you have any zero DTs, because today is the last day of the trading week. That yeah, that's those contracts are about to start getting consumed, swallowed, gobbled up, all that good stuff. Same, it's too much sugar to be keeping around those. Yeah, bro. I play Roblox and like, bro, sometimes like if you stay to the end of stuff, people are like, "Yo, we're not gonna eat all this. Yo, take what you want home, bro." Bro, I'm walking out with the thing of cookies like I'm a running back with the football, bro. I don't know. Contracts get weaker the closer it get. Yes, they get a lot weaker, especially if they're out of the money. Yeah, they get very weak because the value of theta is yeah there's no theta there. The IV's not there, so unless you get like a massive jump, yeah, they die like very very close. Thank you, Terry Ann. I hope you enjoy your holiday too. Stay safe. Yeah, yeah, my thing about holidays like these is most of the time it's like when it comes to safety. Well, actually, no, yes, some people can be pretty dumb when it comes to fireworks and stuff. But yeah, most of the time when it comes to safety, it's like the role you gotta play in safety is like keeping yourself out of like harmful situations because most of the hazards and stuff that you'll encounter on holidays like these are other people, and it's like you gotta do what you can to keep yourself out of these places and spaces at these times of increased risk. Oh, just be smart with it, family. I play Roblox, rolling. Hey, Lucky J got it. Hey, got the runs. Yeah, this is my channel. Just starting out. Hey, everyone's got to start somewhere. Hey, let's go check it out. Or I'm not gonna like check it out. Hey, we just gonna come through, increase that sub count, and yeah. Oh, how to diversify your portfolio? Okay, okay. You got Elon Musk on there. All right, that's wild. Okay, all right. Hey, I'm sure YouTube will throw me a little suggestion when I see it. Assuming I'm not looking for something specific. Hey, I'm gonna roll through. All right, let's see. BBAI. Yo, it like popped and now it's selling off. Selling off into the day. Let's see. Well, I gotta take some quick screenshots on my computer. Let's see. All right, let's see if we can get a. There we go. That's probably the best one we're getting. You said chill on the clickbait. Let me know your advice in the comments whenever you see it. What you want? Like, you want me to just like roast you every time I see one of your videos? Be like, yo, work on this, work on this, work on this, work on this. It's like I like to highlight the good when I see it. That way, when it's like, okay, let me do that again next time. Like I'm like the good cat. I'm the good cop around places. It's like I can roast, but it's like if you tell me you want me to like roast you and get like nitpicky with things, something that tends to happen is like I'll think I'm doing you a favor, but then I'll actually start hurting your feelings over time. So it's usually better I don't. It's like then we gotta have a talk, and it's like, yo, all right, you're roasting me a little too hard. Can you like ease up? And I'm like, it's a hard switch to flip for me on the cool. So I have to say what I love as opposed to like what can be worked on. Yeah, get your popcorn ready. Low key. Nah, I'm not gonna say that. It's like there's a lot of things I want to do, and there are a lot of things I would like to help with, but bro, I need to like clone myself to actually achieve these things. So because of it, I need to stop saying certain things are gonna happen, because it's a lot of these things are like way down the road, and people think they're gonna happen like right away. All right, so we're pushing again. We're pushing again. That's wild. All right, so we got the Qs up at like 557. The SPY is up almost at 526. All right, whatever works for you, man. Just know it's appreciated. You said what calls you got set up so far? I have not entered any trades today. Wish I would have. Oh yeah, they straight up did do a break and retest on the 5 minute, but nah, I wish I would have got some calls today, but I did not. I'm currently in a call on Palantir, got calls on Pfizer, got a call on Weeble, but no, not really anything that I did. Like 114 just to mess with the curve. Appreciate that. Also, I agree with broke. Let us know we are messing up. We trust your. No, so I'll talk about what I love, and I'll let y'all. I'll be like, yo, feed more into that. But it's like ultimately, you find your own thing, and you kind of come to. You find your own thing, and you find your voice. It's like I don't want you to get too on what I say, because it's like I may hinder your greatness. It's like there are things that people have said in the past that kind of slowed me down at a point. Then I got to a point where I was like, oh, you know what? It doesn't even matter. That's their vision. I got my own. Like people will always try to tell you what they think is best for you, which gotta understand is out of love, but also they only know what they know. You have a unique angle that they likely don't understand. All right, so Weeble selling off. We got the market kind of pushed. They're trying to push into the end of the day. Let me check the PC. The PCE has gone up, so people have no. Actually, no. Yeah, it's gone up. Yeah, it's gone up. Still low, but the PCE has gone up. Smarty Pants 12. Wait, hold up. Smarty Pants 12. Where's? Oh, is that like a Gary V quote? Cause I'm like, yo, I have no idea who Smarty Pants 12 is. Is that my wife? No, that's not my wife. I was about to say I don't know who that she's walking out with. I always just see people out of these outside my window. Like, who are these people? You say, yeah, he always makes up a name and number. Hey, you gotta. It's Smarty Pants 12 because the first 11 were taken up. I would be Matthew Manuel, but whoever was Matthew Manuel on Instagram, they they straight up just oh, they like don't exist. Like it's like I don't know, it's a little annoying. They don't their account is like nothing. They can't be reached out to, but they have the username Matthew Manuel. So I had to get something that I can have across everything. So Matthew Manuel 1. That makes me want to go check and see. Let me go check on Matthew Manuel. Yeah, someone has MSense without underscore. Yeah, it's like yeah, it's very annoying that there can only be one. Here, let's see. Matthew Manuel. Yeah, it's very annoying. This Yeah, Matthew Manuel is not even like it's an account, but you can't even click on it. It's like non-existent. It's like I almost wanted to get it taken down because there's legit no activity from it at all. Gotta go start studying. Enjoy your holiday. Hey, you have a blessed weekend too, Josh. Not too far behind you. So yeah, have a blessed weekend. Uh, yeah, get that mind right for Prime Day. I guess you got this, or I guess get it in. Is what I'm trying to say. All right, so Weeble is now below support, so might be falling on down. I'm here for the ride though. Hey, it's been a good day. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Like this, it looks like retail attention is coming to Weeble, so that's good. Dang, didn't even know Weeble was public. Here, let's see. This is what happened when. Oh wait, hold on, wrong chart. This is what happened when Weeble went public. So they IPO'd at 11.23, ran up, touched about $80, and then they sold down to about like 9.30 or something. Now they're at like about $14. I think like long term, it's a great level to pick it up, but right now, that's why have it call with some time on it. All right, so we got the SPY at 526 and the Q's at 557. All right, let's see. If Weeble drops under 1375 on 4 hours, it'll be call clobbering time or dip buying if we got the time. I think before Robinhood made all these deals, Weeble was definitely the better platform. Weeble will catch. We'll see. Robinhood has always had the user base. I think Weeble made the mistake of like they stopped like I don't know. I feel like they stopped like having the promotion. Like if you look at all the large creators and whatnot, they stopped. They stopped with the promotion. Like if you look at Weeble, if you look at Moomoo, there's you have the creator promotion. I think there's like a level of like relevancy from it all. Like it's like I promote for Moomoo. It's like I use it, but it's like I still promote for Moomoo too. It's like Weeble, you don't really see the promotion anymore. So it's like I feel like they've fallen out of favor. Matthew did pretty good spy calls this morning. Wasn't gonna play any option. Hey, I'm glad you did too. Yeah, they on the cool. I didn't play Orb, but it's that was looks like the because we got confirmation like right here. So even from there, 124 to that's like a $2 move. And then if you did it on the Qs, let's see, 554 to like almost 557. Or it was closer to 550. So it would have got you like a $2 move if you had like actually played. I promote Weeble. It's too bad I only got 8 subs. Nah, but like Weeble used to like not just free referrals, but like there was a point in time where like even before I think even before like Weeble reached out to me, I think there was a point in time like if I had a friend signed up, it was like $100 on Weeble. And that was back when I saw people that weren't even like stock market kind of like influencers on it. They were more just like everything. Anil, hi bro. I didn't take any new trades today. I'm in the same stuff that I was in yesterday. I don't think I took profits on anything today either. So I have not made any trades. If bull closes over 1430, it'll start to climb on the 4 hours. Not advice, probably bad idea. Here, let's see. I think Weeble's like I think the uptrend is here. Like the uptrend is here. Like it's gonna go. Pullbacks are welcome by me, but like yeah, it looks like we got a good uptrend on Weeble. What we looking like? That's the weekly. Let's look at the daily 4 hour. Yeah, Weeble looks good to me for some upside. It still is. Just got about $98 from one refill. Weeble referral they did as well as. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, that's actually crazy then. But that's from like they give you stocks now. There was a point when it was just like, yo, they would just like send cash and stuff. I remember before, like I don't know if y'all know Andre Jick. Before he was like big, they used to have like competitions and stuff where oh, it's like, yo, if you can get this many people signed up, yo, we'll get you a trip here or whatever. Before Andre Big or Jick was like big, he had like I guess he got people to sign up for Moomoo, like using or not Moomoo, Weeble using YouTube and stuff. And like he got that trip for his family and like bro, he was just getting like he would have like whole videos where he was just reading like the stocks he got from Weeble. It was like wow. I call stocks money. We're in a world where we know how to sell and use. I mean, they have value. I think whenever I used to get free stocks on Weeble, it was always like there was like I don't even remember the ticker, but it was mostly like a stock it was something related to news, and it was like a $12 stock. I've never seen it anywhere aside from Weeble, but they used to just load me up with that one. He said, "How you feel about Intel?" I know they're having a good day. Let's see. I don't like as a company. They're not really. They're there. They're like yeah. They're all I gotta say about them is they're there. Honestly, they're kind of in the middle of a lot of ranges, and I don't have any like passion or anything about this company. It's just they're like in the chip space. I'll say they're okay, but out of all the places to put my money, this is not where I would put it. It's like I would try to find something that'll move, something that's at a key level. They're kind of like smack dab in the middle, and it's not like if I'm picking a chip company to best invest in over time. Like right now, my order, like if I'm trying to get returns, is gonna go AMD, then Nvidia, and then Intel. So for me, that's how I feel about it. I'm not really too interested in it. All right, so we got about 30. Oh wait, no, not 30 minutes. Yeah, well, we got about 30 minutes till like the options start getting sold off, the zero DTEs, and then we got about an hour left in the trading day. Hood respecting the trend line so far on the climb. Where is let's see. They look like they're kind of respecting the 13 EMA too. Nah, Jake, I think you earned that 2K in profit. You had to take that risk, take that chance, take that entry, and take those profits. They definitely like gave you an opportunity. They provided the opportunity, but hey, you did that, bro. Here, let's see. All right, family. All right, so I guess that's going to do it for the day. Going to do it for the week. Um, good day for the SPY. Good day for the Qs. Um, got one more hour of being open today. So if you're still watching the markets, I hope y'all enjoy. Hope things do what y'all need them to do. But with that being said, family, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, Josh. Peace out, Eddie. Peace out, Broke College Investor. Peace out, Anil. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Jake. Peace out, Amanda. Peace out, Audio Reese. Peace out, Natasha. Yo, I hope each and every one of y'all have a happy 4th, or, actually everyone can have a happy 4th of July, even if you're not celebrating the independence of America. But, hope every one of y'all's July 4th and y'all's weekends are beautiful. Peace out, Kilo Hotel. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Frank. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Big Red. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, Alan. Yeah. Yeah, with that being said, I hope. Yeah. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.